Greetings, everybody. How are you doing today? Happy new month. Yes, we've entered the Ember period. Today is the 1st of September. And of course, as we've entered this new month, it's always good for us to look back, to reflect on the trading year. Yes, of course. And you know, next month is going to start the last quarter of the year, 2021. I'm sure it has been a pretty adventurous one for us all, right? You need to ask yourself these questions. Have you been able to hit your target, or are you still stuck in the mud? Are you getting any better? These are questions that only you can answer, right? Great. Yesterday, looking at the Euro USD that we have in front of us, I tried out a little long. I tried out a little long play, but I had to pull out for some little loss. I tried going long around here, and then you can see it just pushed higher a bit, right? And then of course I was paying attention to the daily candle, and you know, as yesterday was the last day of August, we would be expecting some profit taking, and then we had this move. I was hoping that we would close a bit higher, but then where it closed, it now looked like a daily pin, right? So if we switch to the daily candle, you see a daily pin, bearish pin by the way, which simply means that it can drop some more. Now, on looking at this, I didn't want to fight this any longer. I'm going to wait for fresh information today in order to know whether it would be good to try to go long again at that same area here of the hourly. This is still the area of interest, as you can see, form of resistance, support. So the area is an area, we call it an area or a level or a zone. So the area is still very much valid. I'm just going to be careful here and then see if something comes out. And if nothing comes out, no problem. Now, across the board, it seems that the market has been a bit on the sideways, has been moving sideways. If you look at the cable, the Aussie, and also for the Kiwi, they've been finding new cases. It seems that the coronavirus seems to be on the increase in the Australia, New Zealand region, right? Dollar, Swiss, as you can see, sideways market, dollar yen sideways, dollar CAD sideways. They have OPEC meetings today as well, so expect some movement for crude oil and then some possible volatility for the loaning USD CAD. Gold also sideways. Most times when you see sideways market like this, you need to ask yourself, what is happening, or is something about to happen? Oh yes, most likely the market is waiting for NFP, September's NFP. That is this Friday on the 3rd of September. And that's why most likely you will see the market will start to do what? Will start to quiet out, right? So today, might not really expect much as such, who knows? Today might not really expect much today, who knows? Prior to the NFP. And then also today we have some high impact news coming out. We have the ADP non-farm employment change by 1:15 p.m. UK time, and also we have the manufacturing PMI by 3 p.m. for the USD as well. So we might as well have some volatility today. But at the same time, with the sideways movement from the majors on gold, it has already made me to realize that most likely the market is waiting for something, and that is going to be the NFP, right? So with that said, ensure that you trade safely, ensure that your stop loss is always in place, as today, tomorrow, and Friday, prior to the NFP, right, we might have some whipsaws, some volatilities here and there that might cause some form of slippage, that might also cause some increase in spread and so on. So it's best for you, if you're not sure what's happening, to stay out of the market, right? Do not try to be a hero. There would always be opportunities around the corner. With that said, thank you everybody for staying tuned, and of course we would get back to you if there's any update with the market. Trade safely everybody, and happy new month again. Happy Ember month. Yes, Christmas period is upon us. Thank you and goodbye.